I gotta clean the pool. So it's Friday night dinner. We're gonna eat Mexican. Journey's pitching a fit. Come on. So the Mexican restaurant was like super packed. So we ended up getting cookout and eating it in the car. Now we're at Walmart. I want to get the girls some drinks. They're out of drinks. And some snacks. It's starting to rain. We're at Sam's. They close in like 15 minutes. Anybody else have a little girl that's got like 5 pairs of shoes out by the door? It's on the outside. 3, 4, 5. Probably find some more if we look. Right, Ron? Here's my new umbrella. But it stormed, and I'm afraid another storm might come through. So I was gonna put it down. I'm probably gonna get wet. Daddy, help! Help me! Help, Dad! I'm trying to shake it off without getting wet. I think my butt's getting wet. Okay, here we go, guys. I just don't want it to blow away. The other one blew up there. Hey guys, so I finished 5 shirts and I went out and looked, and my mailman didn't pick up my order from yesterday. So anyway, this would be the 3rd time it's happened so far. The other 2 times, like, we caught it before my husband went to work, so he was able to take the packages, and the lady that fills in for my mailman, she actually came back both times to pick it up. I just didn't even look this morning or realize that nobody picked up my packages, so it kind of sucks. So hopefully she'll pick them up tomorrow, because the post office is only open from like 9 to 10 a.m. and my mail doesn't run until after 10, so by the time he ran I wouldn't be able to drop it, you know, it'd be closed. So anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. It is Saturday. I just got some Coke on my shirt. It is a frozen Coke. My husband had to, I'm dripping. It's like I suck it up and then some continues to come out. I'm gonna have to get something. Hold on. Yeah, I don't even know what, I lost my train of thought. So my husband went to go purchase a guitar from someone. I think he saw it on probably Facebook Marketplace or somewhere like that, Craigslist, I don't remember where. But he thought that we were going to take a trip up to Knoxville, because that's where it was at. But it turned out that the guy was actually coming down to, I think, Hilton Head or somewhere in South Carolina. And so my husband's like, what way are you going? Are you gonna go this way? Or, and it turns out he was like pretty much going right past our house. I say that, but on the interstate. We're not far from the interstate, so like literally like 2 minutes away. So he met him at the Circle K, and that's where we like to get those frozen Cokes. They're just like our favorite thing. Like, I don't know. It's just something. It's just something we like. I think we've gotten them before. Like, we vlogged about getting them before. Anyway, so that's what we got. And I am working. I'm trying to finish up. We're trying to make it where I don't have very many orders to work on when Dani is here. So if you don't know, Dani is coming back for Cora's baby shower, which is this coming weekend. So her baby shower will be on Saturday. So I want to try to get most of my orders done. Here's somebody.
Have you seen any steel wool?
Mm-mm. We're gonna try this again. Drop my husband off at Guitar Slam because it is pouring. Okay, she's gotta pee. Hey guys, so I just edited a vlog. It was the concert, so and it took a long time, and this vlog is 1 hour and 33 minutes, but I don't monetize them, so, and basically it's a lot of songs, and I didn't want to cut any out because, you know, I do it for us. So, I also do it for y'all, but a lot of you probably don't like that music, or, you know, want to sit through an 1.5 hour video. I understand that, but I have it for us. I might make a shorter version. I don't know yet, but right now I'm saving it. So here it is. But anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.